naita ne Yesu, naita Yesu. If she told me that at that point where she was seeing two worlds, yeah, ngalabe nsi yafe, and she was also seeing the spiritual world. You know, she told me to believe, and then she told me to turn to God.
Ngalabe nsi
yafe, and then she sing Jesus. She said she's seeing Jesus. Alaba abamuzika. Oshitegera. Alaba abamusika, bamutadde mu lubugo. Then there's these old coffins. Babazika ngedda ngalaba bamutadde mu kabide n'abantu nga bangi. Ngayogera bambi binjaawo. Ngalaba amazika ge kati ne mumuleka ne mutumuleke wansi mu ntaana. Era nga gamba bambi bano bangenze konza jali kangenze oshitegera. Era wano mukwogera nga she had hope. That's a strong thing. Hope is a strong thing. Nga gamba she has hope. Nga era ogana nyo gamba yes, I'm not going anywhere. I'm strong in the blood of Jesus.
Embeera yatawukanye nembeera nga nfuna mental disturbance nga mangudde mu kazoole aleze kulwange ndaba nga ndi mu two worlds ndaba waliwo ensi ekintu kingamba olina okufa katikati kati nange mukwerwanako nalina okuyita Jesus era nayita Jesus okumala nga 2 hours era Jesus yalwana nesibako gyendaga sante yasobola so nalimpogana nnyo galere n'abantu ne bavaayo ne batandikira byogera nti Evlyn ali abakinga ng'embwa, she's barking like a dog, like a good daddo, but severely daddo. But I don't know. But you know, I'm in two worlds. I don't think she's out on anything and never called. I need to get up the shimmy, shut again the mass. So, I saw all the uncle of all the number. If they're shouting, I don't want to shout, but there is some force that is forcing me to. No, force. I cannot just go like this when I have Jesus, you know. So I kept on calling Jesus. Kaka, we are on names kakana. So here we are. Bagamba ntina mtima wange nakugwa zimba. Era mtima sawa zinobuli connected kawa kama senya naze. Sichasinga kwetagala sala kubanga ye mama na raisa. Abadde ashandiko tanavako ali abamalayika wange Katonda yamuleeta tanvanga mukwedde bishima abadde ashinga upkeep bills azisasula zonna eddagala balimpa buli kimu bashinga naye kitwetagala sala abantu byemaasabe mulungi tugyasobola okusaba cause tumanyi let's keep our fingers crossed kamanyi tusaasira nga bwe yatusaasira ku luli nakuli najja kukola ndiko na mtaani wange cause bwenalala yasangibwa yaliwo ewaka alina kalimu ke naye nagamba no enda kusigala mami nkujjanjaba nasigala te nawana wenyini tebagalawo bantu so abeera amala kunaaba omusawa kuyambako. If I want people to come here, basobola okujja naye tebagala abantu bano bangi because of COVID. So omwana kyamala
wali walokoka era yagamba Mukama Katonda n'okwaba abakubeereddewo mu mbeera n'ennyimba z'eddiini wali wazikuba.
Nena nyana olugero Nicola nyana olugero nakoze n'abantu bangi baleeta living testimony ndowooza nateekako ku TV ku radio. Nja kukepinga on nga ndeetendera Mukama waba atusuusiza.
Obudde buno owulira omubiri ki ekisinga okuluma?
Of course, no pain. Yakana can't, of course, something being connected to mutima, but available in Nako. And the program was going in Nama or Blooming Range. I don't want to just no pains. I got a message just to believe. Mana raises when you are my brother. Kama Katonda yakayamanyi bwali mu mbeera nekimanya agenda mumwangaza nnyo amulaga essanyu nange mpone nkole musanyuse.
Ategeezezzaako nti yali akutegekedde n'akalaga oluvannyuma lw'okuwona ogwasooka.
Yali ategese ebintu bya Thanksgiving ngenda kugendayo mulabeko even nja kugenda mulabe nja kutegeeza ngende mulabe nange ngina kiwakiri nja kukola nja musanyusa kuba naye kyayagala mpone mukole musanyuse mbere apinga abantu abalala naye yesanyulye yemba omuntu natereera kuba bambi omukyala atabye nange si fans bokka ba family fans bana bambi banyambyeko olwera banyambako abo nabo oluusi babaweerezayo ku kasente akatinitini kabo ka juice asobodde esaala ze bampa bafansi bange abansabira banyambyeko bonna kama bampa banjagalire nyinza okugamba
Embeera ya Evlyn Lagu is my mom, the mama wange. Yes.
Gwe first born?
I'm her only son.
Yes.
Yes. So I'm at City High. But I'm from 5, and I'm from 6. Yes.
So Embeera yabadecha?
Embeera yalimbi like from like, I think last year. But them be money. She was sick. Then she has been going to different hospitals. Baba de bamutusa MUDWALIRO, BAMUZIZAAYO, you know. Then until they brought her here to Nakasero Hospital, then she went back home. Then yariko active in life. Yadamo active like for a week or two. Then that day waka. I think she got some complications again. Gatido kuda MUDWALIRO kitegeera nga atido kweraliikiriza abantu nga gamba tenze buli kaseera nzabeera omulwadde okitegeera then nadde waka she sat at home for 2 months nga atudde waka for myezi 2 nga ina obuzibu nga ina obuzibu nga teyebaka bulungi ekiro nga afuna obuzibu problem with eating okitegeera kale ye muntu eyekubiriza yezaamu amaanyi okitegeera because she's strong yezaamu amaanyi nagamba kandi even after eating n'abizza you know when you're vomiting okozesa amaanyi mangi okuzza emmere. But even after that, you can buy for me some fruits. Let me eat that. Nalya era nabiza yidige. Nenga nafe tubade tumuzamu amaanyi. Until it was the last week on Saturday, Friday, Thursday. Karo Nantongo yaje waka. Yes, that night mukwanga mami yali awulira bubi ekiro. Then namukubira ekiro namugamba please come. It was very late in the night. She came. Nasigala bambi ne bamusabira with her friend I think she's called Joan. Ne bamusabira ko then ne bamugamba the point kwanange byo mugamba kitogena MUDWALIRO because chetagisa futo kusigalya waka no bonabo naye MUDWALIRO basaba bamanye ekyokukola kati awo ne bamugamba nabo ne bamugamba kintu kyembadde nga mugamba nenako nenga ye yali atidde bambi ekitegeera nga dako MUDWALIRO ujuka bine bya covid atidde yinzo bamizo musangamo ba covid oba ki ekitegeera ate juka ya finding problems with breathing kati ngati danizo gamba ba covid okitegeera nabo ne bamugamba gena MUDWALIRO the doctors will know what to do okitegeera kisingako yogena no fira MUDWALIRO nga ogeza ko than dying here okitegeera even God helps people are helping themselves nga magena MUDWALIRO ogezeeko then kati inkera the next morning her caretaker called her. In fact, she had been calling her all along, and she has a caretaker in Nakasero Hospital. I don't remember the name. I would have said it. Why don't you take the medicine? Then she takes the medicine. Why don't you come back to the hospital if you're finding problems with life? Because you know, the heart had swollen. You know, I've been helping her with massaging, but it has not been helped. So that Friday, kati walo Aunt Sheila wamumanyi imbansenene namugamba ekyo nze sobola okuvugana enkutwala MUDWALIRO najja namugamba kanzije nkukime waka and I take it to the hospital because even the caretaker had been telling her let's go to the hospital kati ye munda ye itawulya she wasn't feeling so bad Nenga she had complications, breathing, yes, breathing and vomiting and then swelling the body. Usanga maso gazimbye. Ushitega even sleeping ayeba kabubi bambi. Fwaji oba yari ozaba musujja, nenga si musujja. So that day, in fact in the morning, yangamba weziwa sawa nya. nzukisa tugende mu ddwaliro because I had to go to work ngamba no tomorrow let me cancel because nzuka saa 12 nengenda nkole ngamba no tomorrow let me not go to work, let me stay at home sawa eziwera nya muzukuse tugende mu ddwaliro kitegeera. So I stayed home that day on Friday. So nyawe zawela she had even changed her mind ngamba no sigenda agenda. But then again caretaker we namukubira namugamba we are going to the hospital on Friday. Then then she accepted nazuka nagamba mbadde nerabidde kubanga yali tata ngeyo tujja otufuna eri yabasera ku macha bambia. So nazuka ku macha sawa nya nitwambala bulungi that day ku Entebbe road yukatuvaza naye there was a lot of jam. Even first got food somewhere there in Kibuye olomukaza tunde mmere Kibuye we first got food emmere najira mu motoka then again she brought back the food yakalya and yuke joya italidde nerero nemmere jalidde mu motoka nagiza nga antishira yatuvuga netutuka. Then when we reached it wasn't kwanga era yogera bulungi yewe kwanga eri yekubiriza tatasaba kai tosaba wawulira bulungi kwanga yekubiriza nnyo ezamu nyamanyi kati naffe tatweralikiriza nnyo katosola manya nti obali mbulumi batali mbulumi kati abuza because she over convinces herself that she's going to be fine. She overdoes it. So twatuuka netutuuka mu ddwaliro zine bantu my documents namanga mazide wakanzi chimese era nefuna wano boda nezirayo waka to pick up the documents and shira na ebali bamuganye juka the hospital is very strict nga bamuganyo parking ate bamuganyo tula. So nasauna ina gamba kakole chikagira avao kukasaba tumtusize eri abasawo they know better, they know more than us, you dig. So when we reached when I came back I remember they told me to sit down and wait for her. Come on the documents. They told me to sit down and wait for her. That she was coming back from the scan. They told me where to look. So and I started looking in that direction. So when she was coming back through that direction on Friday, I had never seen anything like that before. Wow. Okay, I had seen her being violent like that. Okay, that's muntu aogana inyo. That day she was very violent. She was it was too much. I think nzimuwaonendo zo good dead dalu. Oshitegira. She was shouting. She was like, "Oh Jesus!" She was shouting, "Jesus, Jesus!" She was calling out Jesus. I think she had hallucinations. You know, Jesus, Jesus, please help me, save me at this moment because this is a very difficult time. I've been there. I've been in you, oh Lord. I've been fasting for you. I've been praying to you, oh Lord. Please guide me this time. Save me, oh Lord. Save me. Now nyamba. From down, please bring my son. I think she reached a time and she was like, I think this is the end for me. After something was telling her so naga bring my son, I want to talk to him. I want to tell him my last words. Let me tell him the last words. Call this one, kubira bossa, kubira ani ngayagala bambi kulama ngalaba obulamu bugenda, you know. Because people normally come the first time you don't survive, then the second time people normally don't survive. If you survive the first time, but then she survived that. It is level 3, room 320 Nakasero Hospital. So she's up there. Yeah, ngalinga agenda okufa. So unokwebaka kolo nako kwa muzibuwaliza tiyasobola kwebaka. Like utulonga tumuluma tunji. She was feeling a lot of sleep. She was very sleepy, you dig. Then her eyes were ngayagala kwebaka. Then she was like, she said no, sigenda kwebaka ngatidde okwebaka ngalowooza oba wanebaka oba nafiirayo oba nayitirayo nagamba no, because she said she was seeing things, hallucinations, you know, like that moment obango moyo gukuvamu yampita yangamba inganga yagala okulama kitegera ngamba Fred genda wono isma ina kino kitegera something like that nenga tebitegerekeka ngayogera ebigambo bingi okitegera ngayogera maloboozi, even their voices were changing and sometimes you find like she's talking like a man like where Jesus, you understand. But then we survived that. For what tried to manage to good dead dalo okitegera, but she survived that. The heart is swelling. It's complications. I think even the thing that I'm connecting I think that they connected to her heart. I think she tamletera pain nyingi to the extent yaroza ntagenda kufa okitegera naita Yesu. If she told me that at that point where she was seeing two worlds, ngalabe nsi yafe, and she was also seeing the spiritual world, you know. She told me to believe and then she told me to turn to God.
Ngalaba ensi
eyaffe, and then she sing Jesus. She said she sing Jesus alaba abamuziika. Okitegeera alaba abamusiika bamutadde mu lubugo. Then there's these old coffins babaziika ngedda ngalaba bamutadde mu kabi, then abantu nga bangi, then waliwo kojaawe ng'ayogera ku like mukugamba byalala ng'ayogera ku her life, how she was boyish, like okay, yali kind of a tomboy in the old days, ng'anyumiza abantu how good she was, you know. For me she has been so good to me, like if I was there so ng'ayogera bambi bingi awo ngalaba amaziika ge kati nemumuleka tumuleke wansi mu ntaana era nga gamba bambi bano bangenze konza jali kangenze okitegeera era wano mukwogera nga she had hope. That's a strong thing. Hope is a strong thing. Nga gamba she has hope nga era awogana nyo gamba yes, I'm not going anywhere. I'm strong in the blood of Jesus. So okitegeera agamba I turn to God. I think that's the best thing that has happened to her this 2019 2020. She turned to God and she's been very religious. I think noza mukama yakira abantu agenda funa obulwadde era yalokoka. Before this esoka nalokoka, she was very religious. Jimanyize nze ni mukatoliki yabadde yalokoka era nga asaba nnyo Katonda ng'asiiba nga wasaba era mukama amuyambye nnyo these days. Mukama amuyambye nnyo, amutaasiza nnyo era mukama era nduza yamusindikira mama Nalweyiso nga malayika okujja okumutekinga through this okitegeera, because mama Nalweyiso has been there from day one. Mama Nalweyiso and her daughter, they have been there for her from day one. They have provided for her, they have given her, because abada mwezangani upkeep, you know, she's not working the full year, she's not working for the whole year, plus last year bikumanga yolanga mu September. So imagine all that time up to now she's not working, you understand. So it hasn't been financially good okitegeera, but mama Nalweyiso took charge. She took hold of the situation. Nagama kamulabe lidono mchala kamuberere, where she has been sponsoring her medication, even at home. I think even the money they paid for my school fees when I was going to City High Form 5 first time, those 3 weeks, I think it was her who paid it. She has been there for us. We thank you very much, Mama Nalweyiso. Yatusaba mukama akongere obulamu, akongere amaanyi, ayongere okugabirira kubanga we need such power, because you are like a vessel through which God touches us. You are the vessel through which God has reached us. Thank you very much.
Bino byonna
yes.
Experience eno gyoli mukuba kati yayise gwe gwamuliko emirimu gye wagivuddeko, experience eno gisanze otya?
It has been wild. It hasn't been good, like, but it has been very okay to me. That ekinzibuwaliza kukikola because it's my mom. I'm not going to get another. Msikena funa yo mama mulala okitegeera. So tekinzibuwaliza nnyo kibikola lasikowa, because it is the one mama wange. I can't get tired of this okitegeera. I can't get tired of supporting my mom and being there for her. I can't stop doing that okitegeera, because it's my mama wange era mwagala nnyo.
Embeera eryeta kati kubanga ogeddeko naye awo.
Yes, embeera kati. Yes, embeera again. All I can give you right now is hope. Embeera agenda bubble. It's going to be fine with time. You know, time is the best healer. With time to come, she's going to be very fine. Agenda better stable. Tubebazanya batusabira. Tubasaba mongeremu essala. That's the strongest thing right now. We need your prayers. Even those who can fast, I beg that you fast. Please fast and help her, pray for her. That's what she's begging from you, because the financial things like money for medication and what mama Nalweyiso yabisorting ebyo yatumebazanyo. Yes, prayer.
Tweyanzanyo tweyanzege Fred Katumute addeyo MUDWALIRO.
Thank you very much.
District.
Yes sir.
Tweyanzege baganda bange ffenna tusabire Evlyn talina buzibu mu industry eno. Evlyn y'omuntu gwe bavuma n'olaba nga yetazizaayo kigambo. Tavuma bantu bakola ki, mukazi yeeberera ne bamuvuma naye nga yetakola ki, talina gwavuma, talina tabu mu industry eno. So bannange tusabire Evlyn.
And then the last issue I want to cross by, you know these politics. Please, I think politics should be left out of this, because this is a matter of life and death. You understand? People have their differences. And you know, social media people, they're like, but that's not good. That's not good. Yes.
Omwana ono tumuze mbuza amaanyi musabe tubasabire essala mulabyeko ajja kubeera mubeera okutambuza bintu tonatuuka MUDWALIRO okusinga byotategeera.
That's very true.
Okitegeera topositinga bintu byotategeera mu time eno. bw'oba tonatuuka nakasero topostinga bintu mupostinga ebintu ebiri ku mulamwa tweyanze nnyo tweyanze nze mulabyeko ali mu mbeera nnungi attakuwa eri powered by Sozo property consultant bagamba bateekamu kasente ne tutuuka ku bantu bano batunda byonna ebyomunju ebikozeseddwako nga biri mu mbeera nnungi okubireko katikati era ng'ofuna ekisingawo mwebale nnyo mwebale